Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tutorial Ray. So in this video once again I'm back with a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create an animated video in Canva. This is part 2. Okay, without any time waste, let's start the video and let's show you how you can create. So first of all, we have to open Canva over here. You have to click on create and you have to click on video. Over here you can see landscape video 1920 1080px, and after that over here you have to search. There will be option element, you have to click on these and you have to search urban street. Okay, as you can see over here urban street, you have to click on these and after that you have to click on graphic. Okay, there are many type of graphic like street over here as you can see, or else you can search a park also. Like for an example, first of all I am going to select this one. Okay, and we have to fill this fully. Like you have to drag like this and you have to select this one and you have to fill in this all like this. Okay, so after that you have to select, like we are going to make a short video like for an example. So now I am going to select another page. Over here I am going to search park, like this park background. Okay, and over here as you can see there are many type of result. You have to click on graphic and there are many type of graphic park also. I am going to choose this one. So for an example I have chosen this one, and now we have to drag this one and we have to select this and we have to fill up this one. Okay, like this. So you a little bit like this and this one fully like this. Okay, so as you can see we have taken two background over here, like two pages, and now once again I'm going to create once more like city one. Actually we are going, like for an example, first we are going from this route, after we have gone to park and now we are going to city. Okay, or else we can choose this one at first place like this, and after that, like we first of all we are in park area, after that in street, and after that we will be in city. Okay, so in city, like we have to search city background. Okay, over here city background, there will be many output like graphic. You have to select on graphic. Now I am going to use this one, so we have to drag this one fully, select, we have to drag this one and we have to fill up this one like this. Okay, and like this, a little upstairs, no, a little down part like this. Okay, so as we have taken 3 pages over here, now we are going to choose any character. Like for an example I am going to search over here walking person. Okay, working person. So there are many output over here. We have to click on graphic. When you are going to click graphic, there are many like graphic like walking person over here, character over here, whatever you want you can choose them. Okay, so now let's search which is best. So for an example I am going to choose which one, actually I'm going to choose this one. Okay, first, so we have to click on this, after that we have to resize this one, which the size which is looking better over here, like it should be a little small like this. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to slide this to left to right. How we will slide this one, how we will animate this one, we have to keep over here, we have to click on animate. Okay, when you will click on animate, there's option create an animation. You have to click on this, after that you have to click shift, and after that from your mouse you have to swipe to right. Okay, so let's do now. So over here I have press shift and we have to swipe this to right. Okay, like this, and over here as you can see like when we are going to play this one, the character is moving very fastly, so we want a little bit slow. So you have to decrease speed from here. Okay, so I'm going to, like, speed will be totally minus, and over here as you can see, movement style, original, smooth or steady. We are going to choose steady. Okay, so that it can move very smoothly over here. Okay, as you can see, and we don't have to select anything, we have to click on done. Then what will be the output? Let's see. Now when we are going to play like this, it is going from left to right. Okay, and after that, now we have to choose one thing. We have to, like, first in between these two page, there's an option transition. Add transition, you have to click on add transition. So in this two page, there's an option in between them. There's an option when you are going in between these two pages, there's an option add transition. You have to click on this, and after that you have to choose match and move, or else you can choose whatever you want from here. Like for an example, there's a dissolve, slide, circle vibe, color vibe, line vibe, match and move, flow, stack, and there's are many other options. Whatever you want, you can choose from this like option. Like I'm going to choose this one, dissolve one. Okay, so over here you have to select duration over here. Like for an example, I'm going to choose 1 second, so it will decrease from here. So if I'm going to choose 1.5, then it will also decrease from here. As you can see, it was first 6 second, now it is 5 second. Okay, so it will walk 5 second, the character will walk 5 second only from here. So after that it will walk from here. Now I want that character should be moved from this place also, like this street part also. So we have to select once again from here, we have to resize this one like this, and it should move from here like this. We have to resize this one from here. Okay, now once again we have to animate this one so that the character can move from left to right. What we have to click on? We have to click on animate. We have to select create an animation. We have to press shift, and after that we have to slide this one to right. Okay, after that we have to decrease the speed. We have to click on this steady, and once again we have to a little smooth. Okay, now you have to click on down done. Okay, now you can play this one. What will be the result when we are going to play this one? Let's see. It is moving from left to right. Okay, and after that it is also moving from here to right, like it is showing as like we have continued this character from here. Okay, so like the character is continuously walking from here. So once again we have to select in between these two transition like this. Whatever you want you can select from here, like this mismatch, they dissolve. So now I'm going to select this one, and once again 1.5. Okay, so when the character is going to move, once again we are going to choose over here, and we want the character also should work from here, the car also should like go from here. So once again I'm going to choose this one, the character should be over here like this. The character should be a little small from here like this. Okay, this one we have, once again we have to click on shift, we have to drag this one, the speed should be decreased. So we have to choose steady, done, and now you can see the character is moving like this. Okay, okay, fine. So now what we have to do, we have to search car over here, like car, moving car. Okay, so we have to choose graphic over here. There's a lot of car, like I am going to choose this one, the super. It is looking like a little bit super car also. So how we can flip? We have to flip from here, we have to click on this, we have to select on flip horizontal. Okay, it will horizontally and now we have to go like this from here, like we have to animate this one also as we animate the character, like as we move the character from left to right. Okay, so I want 2 car, I'm going to choose this one also. like this. The size should be a little bigger. The car, one car will come from here, one car will go from left side, and one car will come from right side. Okay, so now what we have to click, we have to animate those two cars. So we have to click on animate. Once again we have to drag this one left to right, like right to left, and we have to click on this. Once again we have to click on animate, and this should be left to right like this. Okay, like we have to decrease speed, steady, this one also. Where is that car? Done. Now we have to click on this, animate, speed decrease, and this one steady. That's it, done. You have to click on this. As you can see, we have created, or we have make animated video very easily within 5 to 10 minutes. And if we are going to play this video, so how it is going to, like, what will be the result? Let's see now. So now let's play in full screen. Okay, as you can see, it was so smooth, and it was so, like, it is looking like a professional video. So I guess so you all have liked this video, and if you get this interesting, then please subscribe our channel, like the video, press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of our video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.